Welcome to this week's F1 Bake Off. We're in Bahrain and this week I'm going to attempt to make Khanfarooosh, which are Emirati fried saffron and cardamom cakes. I think they're a little bit like pancakes, but from what I've read, nobody's quite sure. So let's get cooking. Into a bowl you need to add 5 eggs and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Then take a whisk and whisk them up. Into a separate bowl you need to add 125 grams of rice flour, 75 grams of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 55 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of saffron threads, and 1 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Now, if you don't have any ground cardamom, you can substitute that with half a teaspoon of nutmeg and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then take a fork and simply just mix them all together. Once you've mixed your dry ingredients together, make a well in the centre, pour your beaten eggs in, and take your whisk or a fork and mix them up. Once everything is whisked up, just cover the batter and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, you need to put 5 millimeters of sunflower oil into a deep frying pan and heat it up. Once the oil has heated up, take a tablespoon of your mixture and plonk it into the frying pan. And work in batches of 3 or 4 and cook on both sides for 2 minutes each. After 2 minutes on each side, put them onto some kitchen roll or kitchen towel to drain. Once they're cooked and drained, then simply pop them on a plate, cover with icing sugar, and you can drizzle with honey if you'd like, or date syrup, and enjoy.